Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best IAT sensor is probably one of the most overlooked components in your car, but it plays a vital role in how your engine performs. This little sensor is responsible for measuring the temperature of the air entering your engine, which is crucial for optimizing fuel efficiency, reducing emissions, and ensuring smooth operation. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of IAT sensors. Number 5. ACDelco 213-243 Air Cleaner Temperature Sensor. This sensor is designed to help your engine run at the perfect temperature. It ensures the engine doesn't overheat or run too cold, which can affect performance. The sensor sends precise temperature information to your vehicle's gauge. This allows you to monitor the engine's condition and prevent potential issues. This is a GM recommended replacement part, specifically designed for your GM vehicle. It's a direct replacement for the original factory component. You can expect the same high quality, reliability, and durability as the original equipment. This ensures a long-lasting and dependable performance. The sensor is manufactured to meet GM's original equipment specifications. This guarantees the perfect fit, form, and function for your vehicle. What we like. This sensor is a GM recommended replacement, ensuring quality and reliability. It helps your engine operate at the correct temperature, providing accurate readings. If you are looking for a direct replacement for your GM vehicle, this is the one for you. What people say. This is the intake air temperature sensor that is post-air filter pre-throttle body. It measures the temperature of the incoming air to help the computer to adjust the air-fuel mix. These are very easy to install since you just unplug them and pull them out of a rubber grommet and insert them back in. Works perfectly on 2004 GMC Envoy XL 4.2 LL6. ACDelco is best. Number 4. ZBN 4606487AB Air Intake Temperature Sensor. This is a high-quality air intake temperature sensor. It's designed to accurately measure the temperature of the air entering your engine, ensuring optimal performance. This sensor is a direct replacement for several OEM part numbers, including 4606487AB, 4606487AA, and 5S1024. This makes it easy to find the right fit for your vehicle. It is compatible with various Chrysler models such as the PT Cruiser, Sebring, and Town & Country. Make sure to check the full list to confirm compatibility with your specific vehicle. This sensor also fits several Dodge models, including the Caliber, Grand Caravan, and Stratus. It's a versatile part that can serve a wide range of vehicles. Moreover, it is compatible with Jeep Compass, Liberty, and Patriot, as well as Ram 1500. This sensor is built to meet or exceed OEM specifications. We offer a 1-year quality warranty on this product. If you experience any issues, please contact us for a quick and easy resolution. We are here to help you. What we like. This sensor is compatible with a wide range of Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram vehicles. It comes with a 1-year warranty, offering peace of mind. If you have multiple vehicles or are looking for a reliable sensor with broad compatibility, consider this option. What people say. Was installed without a hitch. Car flashed a code indicating replacement needed. Had this part from Amazon in 1 day and resolved the problem. Works good so far. Number 3. Mopar 05149182AB Air Temperature Sensor. This is a genuine Mopar part, designed specifically for your vehicle. It's built to the highest standards, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. The air temperature sensor is a critical component. It helps your vehicle's engine run efficiently by monitoring the air intake temperature. This part number, 05149182AB, guarantees you're getting the correct sensor for your car. Make sure it matches your vehicle's requirements. This Mopar sensor is manufactured to meet all specifications. You can trust it to fit perfectly, function flawlessly, and provide lasting durability. Choose this sensor for peace of mind. It's a dependable solution that will help keep your vehicle running smoothly for miles to come. It is a great choice. What we like. This is a Mopar OEM part designed to fit your specific vehicle. It is manufactured to meet the specifications for fit, form, and function. If you like using original equipment manufacturer parts, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It was installed very easily and works great. Plugged right in and worked great. Replace the air sensor with this one and the code disappeared within a day or so and everything is running great. Number 2. GM IAT Matte ACT Sensor Kit. This kit is designed to enhance your vehicle's performance. It's a direct replacement for your old sensor, ensuring accurate readings. This will help your engine run more efficiently. The package includes the intake air temperature sensor and a pigtail harness. Everything you need for a straightforward installation is provided. You won't need to search for extra parts. This sensor is compatible with multiple OE part numbers. It is designed to fit various GM vehicles, including Buick, Cadillac, Chevrolet, GMC, Pontiac, and Oldsmobile. Please check the list to ensure it fits your car. It features a robust design and thermistor technology for accurate temperature readings. The sensor operates within a wide temperature range. The brass body and sealing compound ensure durability. Before ordering, compare the parts in the pictures with your old ones. If you have any issues, contact us for a replacement or refund. We are here to help you. What we like. This sensor kit includes the sensor and a pigtail harness for easy installation. It is compatible with various GM vehicles. If you are looking for a complete kit with a robust design, this is the one for you. What people say. Perfect fit for my 5.7 Chevy. Worked good for intercooler piping. Welded a bung on and screwed it in. Car was running a bit rich. Installed the new sensor and it cleaned up in a bit. Worked like it should. Number 1. Walker Products 210-1033 Air Charge Temperature Sensor. This is an air charge temperature sensor. It measures the air temperature, which is crucial for your engine's performance. The sensor sends this vital information to your car's computer. The sensor uses changing resistance to measure the air temperature. This data helps your engine run efficiently. It's a key component in maintaining optimal engine function. The sensor's resistance changes with the air temperature, providing data to the onboard computer. This information is then used to adjust the engine's fuel and ignition systems. This ensures the engine runs smoothly. If the sensor fails, you might experience issues like difficulty starting your car, poor fuel economy, or a check engine light. These issues can affect your car's overall performance. It's important to address these problems promptly. It's recommended to service the sensor every 25,000 to 35,000 miles. This might involve cleaning or replacing the sensor if it's not working correctly. Regular maintenance can prevent potential issues. What we like. This sensor measures air temperature and sends information to the onboard computer. It helps detect potential issues like poor fuel economy. If you are looking for a sensor that helps diagnose engine problems, consider this one. What people say. Added a little bit of lubricating installation grease on the O-ring and went in perfectly. The engine runs great, with no issues. Fits great and reads accurately, at least close enough to ambient within 1-2 degrees. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.